Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Sterilite 3-Drawer Cart is probably one of the most versatile and affordable storage solutions available on the market today, offering a practical way to organize your home or office space with its sleek design and functional drawers that can hold a surprising amount of items, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to declutter and maximize their living or working environment without breaking the bank. Number 5. HOMZ 3-Tier Rolling Drawer Tower. Tired of clutter? This rolling storage cart is designed to help you organize any space, whether it's your home or office. Despite its small footprint, it offers 3 spacious drawers to store all your essentials. Its compact design ensures it fits perfectly wherever you need it. With clear drawers and removable wheels, it's easy to move and see what's inside. Use it for toiletries, office supplies, crafts, and so much more. Feel good about your purchase. This cart is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a great choice for both your belongings and the planet. Discover the perfect storage solution for your needs. Let us help you transform your house into a well-organized HOMZ. What we like. This cart is perfect for those who prioritize eco-friendly choices. If you are looking for a way to organize your space while being mindful of the planet, its construction from recycled materials makes it a standout option. It's ideal for dorm rooms or small apartments where versatile storage is key. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly. It's a good size for storing craft supplies. The cart is sturdy and holds a lot of items. Number 4. Max Hauser 3-Drawer Fabric Dresser Storage. Introducing the Max Hauser 3-Drawer Dresser, a versatile storage solution designed to bring order to your home. Its sleek design complements any room. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame, solid wooden board, and quality plies, this unit is built to last. You can rely on its durability for everyday use. Effortlessly access your belongings with smooth gliding drawers. The included wheels offer 360-degree rotation and can be locked in place for stability. This compact unit offers ample storage with its 3 drawers, perfect for small spaces. Its slim profile fits easily into closets, bedrooms, or offices. Ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or playrooms, it helps organize clothes, toys, and household essentials. Keep your space tidy and clutter-free. We stand behind our products. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. For a blend of durability and sleek design, this dresser tower is a great pick. If you need a reliable storage solution that can be easily moved and secured in tight spaces, its sturdy metal frame and lockable wheels offer excellent stability. It's well suited for bedrooms or offices where a more robust feel is desired. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly and are a good size for storing various items. The cart is lightweight and easy to move around, making it versatile for different uses. Assembly was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 3. HOMZ 3-Tier Wide Rolling Drawer Tower. Discover the perfect storage solutions for every corner of your home. We are proudly made in the USA, dedicated to making your house feel like a HOMZ. Master the art of organization with our versatile storage carts. These drawer carts are designed to fit seamlessly wherever you need extra organizing power, at home or at work. This spacious organizer is designed to fit perfectly into compact areas. Its drawers offer ample space for all your belongings, making it ideal for any room. Featuring clear drawers and removable wheels, this cart offers effortless mobility. It's perfect for storing a variety of items, from toiletries to office supplies and craft materials. Embrace fantastic storage that's also kind to the planet. Our cart is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a responsible choice for your items and the environment. What we like. This option is fantastic for those who appreciate American-made quality and spacious storage. If you need to organize larger items or have a lot of supplies, its wide drawers and durable construction are a major advantage. It's a great choice for craft rooms or home offices needing ample, accessible storage. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. The cart is sturdy and well-made, and it holds a lot of items. It's a great size for organizing craft supplies, office supplies, or even clothes. Number 2. Sterilite 3-drawer rolling cart. Introducing the Sterilite 3-drawer rolling cart, a versatile storage solution for your home. Keep your belongings organized and accessible with this convenient cart. This cart is designed to help you maximize your space, fitting perfectly in closets or any room. Its compact design offers ample storage without taking up too much room. Never lose track of your items again. The see-through drawers allow for quick and easy identification of contents, saving you time and frustration. Need to move your storage? Casters provide smooth rolling options, allowing you to effortlessly relocate the cart wherever you need it most. Crafted for durability and made with pride in the USA, this cart is built to last. It's a reliable choice for all your organization needs. With interior drawer dimensions of 12.58 by 10 by 7 inches, you'll have plenty of space for various items. The overall dimensions are 14.5 by 12.63 by 24 inches. What we like? If you're looking to maximize your organization with multiple units, this 2-pack is an excellent value. It's ideal for tackling clutter in 2 different areas or for stocking up on storage solutions. The fact that they are made in the USA and feature clear drawers adds to their practical appeal for any home. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly. It is a sturdy cart. The size is perfect for my needs. Number 1. Sterilite 3-drawer rolling cart. Tired of clutter? This rolling cart is the perfect solution to organize any room in your home. Use it in your office, bedroom, or laundry room. The easy pull handles make opening and closing the drawers a breeze. You'll love how smoothly they glide. Need to move your storage? This cart features removable caster wheels, making it a truly portable storage solution. Its durable frame comes with 3 clear drawers. This allows you to easily see the contents of each drawer without having to open them. This versatile cart isn't just for clothes. It's perfect for organizing crafts, toys, and so much more. Measuring 14.50 by 12.63 by 24.63 inches, it offers ample storage without taking up too much space. What we like? This bulk pack is the ultimate solution for serious organizers or those managing large projects. If you need to outfit an entire room, a workshop, or a classroom, having 6 identical carts provides incredible uniformity and capacity. The easy pull handles and portable design make it incredibly user-friendly for frequent use. What people say. The drawers slide out smoothly. It's a good size for storing craft supplies. The cart is sturdy and holds a lot of items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.